Hello wonderful and lovely people, welcome to my platform. In today's video I will be sharing with you how to cook tomato stew. These are the ingredients I will be needing: the pre-cooked meat and meat stock, fresh tomatoes and tin tomato paste, stock cubes, nutmeg powder, grounded crayfish, ginger and garlic paste, onions, basil leaf. I started by adding in vegetable oil. Let it heat up, then add in your salt, garlic and ginger. Stir for some seconds, then add in your sliced onions. Fry for about 2 minutes to release the scent into the oil. After 2 minutes, I went ahead and added in the fresh tomato and start frying. Stir it occasionally to avoid burning. Fry for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you go ahead and add in your tomato paste, that's tin tomatoes. Your gas should be on medium to low. You have to keep stirring for the next 20 to 30 minutes. You don't want to end up with burnt tomatoes too, right? So guys, concentrate and don't be carried away by internet. Once I'm done frying, I went ahead and added in crayfish, stock cube, curry powder, nutmeg and pepper. Give it a stir. Do you know the secret of frying tomato stew to avoid splitting everywhere? Guess what? So just go down. I'm going to tell you. Is by adding a lot of oil or good amount of oil that will enable you to fry it, which can be reduced after frying. You can use it for other recipes like cooking beans, another stew, yam, soup, etc. I went ahead and added in the pre-cooked meat. Give it a stir until it is well combined. Then add in your meat stock and water if needed. Oh yes, I added some water. Allow to cook for 10 minutes. At this point, you can taste for salt. Ten minutes later, can you see? Can you see? So, at this point, if you are using vegetable, you can add it now and allow to steam for 3 minutes. And you are done making the tomato stew. It tastes so good and delicious. It can be served with white rice, yam, or whatever thing you feel like eating yours. I hope you find this video helpful. Please guys, if you have not followed this page, please follow this page, like, share and comment to know when I upload a new video. Bye.